You don't need one big savings challenge. Small ones also add up. So today's video, I'm going to share with you my 3 savings challenge that I'm doing this month that actually it has really fixed my real life. Some of them I started last year and I couldn't finish. And some of them I finished it and I'm starting all over this year as well. These challenges are very simple, easy to do. You can do it in your own space. Hi, my name is Josie. If you are new here, thanks for watching. I really appreciate everybody joining me. I thank you for subscribing. I hope you are doing very well. We are kind of like in the 3rd week, so January is almost over. And for me, for instance, I think January was kind of like a reset for me. I haven't started the year yet, so February will be the official time I'm starting the year. I don't know if you are in the same boat like me. It's been like wrapping up, doing a lot of stuff, testing a lot of stuff. So, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you one more time. So I do have these 3 challenges that I'm doing today, and you can pick any of them and also do it. Like I said, very, very simple. So let me go ahead and start with my monthly one, which is one of the challenge that I love so much. So today we are starting with January. Let me move this. And I'll move this here. Okay. So this is the monthly one for those of you who don't know. I have the description in my bio. I have it in my shop. It's a monthly challenge. You can do it weekly, bi-weekly, the whole month, whichever way you want to do it. And this one is the 500 one. I also have it in 1,000. I have it in motivational code. I have it when you don't have anything. Then I also have it when you have Bible verses. So this is how it look like. Oh, before I get started, let's count the money. So I have 100. Then let me count the 20s. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 400. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 20. So 420. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 448. Okay, so this is the money. Let me pull it on the side so that you guys can see. And today for January, I'm doing 8, 11, and 8. I'll do the bonus. So that will be 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. So it's gonna be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it comes with a packet. You put the money. Okay. So that's it for this one. Like easy and simple. Then I'll put that one on the side. Then I'll do my 52 weeks. Then my 52 money pot savings challenge. It's just like the 52 weeks, But for me, when anytime I'm doing it, I do 2 at a time. So I'm going to do these 2, or at times I will just do 1. But today I'm doing these 2. This one and this one. So let's start. So the first one is $1. And this one too, I do have it in my shop, which I'll put the description is already in the bio. So go grab it. You can reuse it. I did use it last year, and I'm using it again this year as well. Then $2. Then I have $3. Very doable. So make sure. Okay. Then I'll do $4. Then I'll do $5. Then I'll do $6. Okay, so that's all for that one. So now I will do the major one, which is my 100 envelope savings challenge. But for this one, I'm doing the 100 money pot. Look at me, I did not do the shading, so let's do it quick. Okay, so for this one today, let me move this here so that you guys can see. Today I'm doing 500, so each packet get $100. Then 100. $1,000. Okay, so now we done 4,000, so 6,000 for us to go, which I'm hoping so hard that I'm able to finish by April. So let's say I do have 3 months to save this, which is 12 weeks. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so some of them, if I'm doing every week, some of them I have to do 2 or I have to do 3. So it depends how much money I have in my budget and see, because I really want to get it done by the end of April, so that I know I'm done before my birthday and I have saved $10,000, because it might go towards my student loan, not the trip. The trip, we've already taken care of it. So, but you never know what will happen, because we keep on changing our plans. So this is the 3 savings challenge that I'm doing this year. This is one of them, 3 of them, and I think I have 2 more other ones that I'm doing. So saving gradually works the best for me, so that's why I'm still doing it in 2026. So thanks for watching me. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.